Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are looking how the cigarette lighter could remain always powered also when the car is switched off. Now my car is switched off and this voltage temperature tester that is inside the cigarette lighter is off, and so out from the USB power from the USB cable there's no power. So if I want to charge my phone or something like this when the car is off, I can't do it. So, but how? For example, here you see my power bank. If I want to charge the power bank when the car is off and keeping the power bank inside the box closer that no one can see it, it's not possible. By default, all the Volkswagen and MQB cars cannot permit to have the power always running, always goes out from the cigarette lighter adapter. Now, what is necessary to do to have always the power? So you need to take out the fuse protection that is always in that position of every car, and we need to have a look on the 20 ampere yellow fuse, that one, okay? And just moving the position of this fuse will give the power always goes out from the cigarette lighter. So after removing the cover, that is quite easy to remove, just open it and then you need to push to compress the left and right side of that plastic cover, and then it goes out. So as you see, there is one little stopping of the left, this one, I don't know the right name in English, sorry, and there is another one on the right. So just compress that two in the near to the center, and that like this, okay, you compress in this way, and then this goes automatically out and give you the access to all the fusing of the internal car. So now what is simple and easy necessary to do is to take out the yellow one, okay, and then move it up near to the 30 green ampere fuse. So just moving one step up, okay. So now is just go back inside. So sorry if I'm not able to show you because there is my hand in front. Okay, anyway, keep it there, push it inside. So now will become near the 30 green ampere fuse. Okay, so now remember that the car was off before to do this. Okay, so now with the power of the car switched off and the key switched off, just have a look. So now we have the power from the cigarette lighter. Okay, so there are 18.9 volt that goes out, and now my power bank is charging. As you see that the white LEDs is blinking, this means that we have power into that goes out also with the car switched off. So I can close my car, go away, and the power will go out. Obviously, don't connect something that will take too much power for many hours because the battery of your car will go down. But just for charge a power adapter or a phone that will remain under covered under there and no one will see it, so is just see. So now I cover it with this just to don't show to the other people that there is something turned on. You can obviously use any 5 volt adapter. So now as you see I put also in the back of the car, and has also the back car cigarette adapter is powered when the car is switched off. So you can keep and put something also in the back of the car and connected, and it will receive the power from also from the cigarette adapter in the back side of the car. So I think this is very useful for to charge something or to connect something always, not only when the car is switched on. So I hope this video is very helpful, and if you like that video, give a like and share it on YouTube, on any Facebook or social media. Bye bye!